Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to change Shopify theme without losing content. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for shopify.com. Then just go ahead and log in your account. And what you need to do is to just go ahead and go to admin. And then once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the online store section right here at the left side of your screen. Then now you need to select the theme option. And then as you can see, the theme that I have right now is the Dawn theme. So if you want to change it, just go ahead and click on customize. Okay. And if you're worrying about your content on your website, you don't need to worry because when you change the theme on Shopify, it won't affect the content or it won't lose the content in your website. Okay, so just go ahead and check your theme. So let me just go ahead and do that. So so now just go ahead and select the new theme that you want for your website, and that should help you on how to change Shopify theme without losing content. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.